Hey, Mike. I'm in a little different setup tonight, so I'm not sitting next to my computer, so if I mix any of the comments, I apologize. Yes, sir. Fire. Getting started in a couple minutes. Make sure everybody gets in here. Make a few trips over to the computer here and there to make sure everybody gets in the group. Well, I moved 6 stands over to this location. If I need to go get the other 6, I'll walk the 20 feet to the old spot. All right, I guess here's what we'll do. I guess we'll go plates and patches first. Limited second. I guess we can finish up with the encased, if that makes sense. Or we can finish up with select. Either way, it doesn't matter to me. One of these two we'll finish up with. Oh, thanks, Crush. I appreciate that. And if anybody misses any of this break, I'll post it on YouTube afterwards, I hope, as long as my internet's cooperating. It did work last night enough to get it uploaded. All right, I'm seeing no notifications at the moment, so let's get going. So we'll start here. All right, we can finish up with Encased. That's fine with me. This one. Empty box there. Let me go. Do I have anything here I can cover this up with? One sec. Let me go grab something to cover these. We'll go with a little Julio Rodriguez first Bowman paper as our cover up. Good luck, everybody. Oh, forgot thick sleeves. One sec. All right. Say sorry about that. I am not in my usual position. First card to the Packers. Brett Favre Legends out of 70. Number 45 out of 70 to the Pack. Second card to the Bills. A little Zach Moss two double patch. Double 4-color patch, right? Blue, black, red, white. And a little blue there, black, red, white. Nice hit for the Bills out of 99. Looks like it's number 12 and 99 there. Nice little... Now we play Guess the Top Loader. Did we get it? First try. First try there. We'll put this up for now. Second card. Leaps and Bounds. Little Chad Johnson autograph to the Bengals. This one is not numbered. It looks like. Chad Johnson. It looks on card though. Oh, it is numbered. Out of 25. Number 1 of 25 there in the corner. Yeah, it looks like it's an on card Chad Johnson. Nice card there for the Bengals. That's too big. Let's stand it up. All right, our printing plate is to the Niners. Raheem Mostert, 101 black plate out of Luminance to the 49ers. Luminance. Old Raheem Mostert. Printing plate. And our last card to the Raiders is a purple Bryan Edwards rookie base. Or I guess no, this one's out of... Sorry, my light's not that great over here. 35 of 35. So that's a little hot commodity sometimes on eBay. Bryan Edwards rookie, number 35 out of 35 on the purple. No jackpot on the printing plate, Birch. And no jackpot on the eBay breaks anyway. Nice rookie there. That's an eBay 1 of 1. eBay 1 of 1s don't count either. The old eBay 101. Yeah, if the card's the jersey number on eBay, they say it's a 101. If it's not the last one, it's a 101. If it's the first one, it's a 101. Yes, I am running a break on my page tomorrow. It's going to be a different break. Multi-year type break. Try to hit a little Mahomes rookie if we can. Empty box. Our 3 packs. All right, let's see. We'll go skinny first. This is probably our autograph. Here we go. Miles Sanders. Allen Robinson. And we got the autograph, I think, next. So we'll go here. Tannehill and Darnold. Let's see what we got. 187. It's a Saint. Adam Troutman. Rookie auto. Number 14 and 99 to the Saints. I played this guy 1 week. Played him the 1 week that they said he was starting on DraftKings. He got me 0 points on 0 targets, I think. Didn't work out too well. Well, he might, right? They got rid of Cook. Alvin Kamara. Little Minshew Mania out of 149. Save that. Mike Thomas and Richard Sherman. Let's see what we got here. To the Eagles. Carson Wentz game day jersey to the Eagles, number 70 and 99. There. And the last pack, so this should be our auto jersey. Gilmore, Russ. We'll go to the back with a little Honey Badger and Thielen. Let's see what we got here. Looks like it's a Steeler, I think. Unfortunately, it's not the one we're looking for, McFarlane, but we'll take it. On-card auto with a huge patch, a little bit of seam here. Out of 199, number 180 at 199 to the Steelers. There. We go grab another 108, which I was actually lucky enough to find at the card shop today, a couple of these. The 108 size. I'm sure everybody knows how impossible it is to find top loaders these days. All right, we'll go to the select. And we'll slow it down on these selects, since yesterday I didn't realize like every other card is a hit or a different level. So let's go let's go a little one card at a time on these instead of flipping through the packs if we can. Empty box there. Got that one's nice and thick. We'll put that to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right. Oh, nice start there. Nice start there. So we'll break back out Julio. First card out of the break. Justin Herbert, Concourse base rookie to the Chargers. I sure hope it's not a quad auto, because then I gotta run a random. And I'm not near the computer. Second card. Oh, and an XRC. Holy smokes. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Patty Mahomes, Concourse base with an XRC next. Wow, that's back-to-back nights with an XRC. Back-to-back nights with an XRC. I'm going to make you sweat the XRC. Next card, Laviska Silver, club level. Wasn't the XRC last night the first pack too I grabbed? Nice. XRC, Laviska club level silver. Yeah, QB1, I might be in trouble. I might be waking up the wife and kids and everybody else in this house. Last card. There we go. Brandon Cooks, but it's premier level. At least it's not the base. So we'll sleeve that up. All right. Let's see what we got here. Congratulations, XRC, one good. Sport football, card number 404. QB number 4. QB number 4. Huge card there. Wow. Congrats. So who's QB4 going to be? Who we think QB4 is going to be? The Ohio State guy? Holy smokes. Any QB's got to be good, right? I mean, no, Jake, there. Somebody actually, there was a spot for points and XRC. So somebody bid on these, and it did not go cheap, that's for sure. So yeah, any Panini points, any XRCs go to the XRC spot. No, Ryan, there was a spot. There was a spot at the auction for XRC and Panini points. That was one. So that goes to them. Yeah. Now in the group break, I have some more selected. I'm going to break only in the group. I'm going to probably combine the XRC with like Atlanta or something. Unless people want, I can always do it as random in the groups. Randoms on eBay, they are not very big fans of. So I list it as a spot. eBay has weird rules with stuff. And people, will request refunds if they get that spot and don't hit an XRC, and it's kind of hard to prove. So, yeah, I always put it as a spot, points in XRC. T. Higgins, base to the Bengals. Let's say, we'll break a box maybe next week in the group, and we can make whatever rules we want for it. Keyshawn Vaughn, club level. Nice. So I guess they added club level this year, I think. It's field level is still the best. Club level is the second best. So it's Concourse, Premier, Club, and then field, like I just said. Oh, we got a purple. Oh, sweet. If you guys can get to Vegas or have sports betting, one of the guys in the group is telling me to bet this guy to win MVP or passing yardage title, something like that. He's big on Drew Lock. He's predicting 5,000 yards through the air this year on him. 45 out of 75 to the Broncos. And this is the Premier level. Premier level purple. But yeah, I'm sure you can get like 50, no, way more than that, probably like 200 to 1 on MVP on him, and this guy's touting him up to me like he's got it in the bag. Sam Darnold silver concourse. And the last card, we got a John Hightower to the Eagles, Premier level. Oh, you're owning up to it now, Crush. I tried to keep you hidden. Hey, I'm going to Vegas in a couple weeks, so right? If Drew Lock wins the MVP this year, I'm going to be a very rich man. That's all we got to say. James Morgan, concourse base to the Jets. We got Derrick Henry, concourse. Yeah, we'll figure it out. We got a red Oh, we got a, what's this, out of 199. So a tricolor of Larry Fitz to the Cardinals. We got an upside down card coming next, so we'll move that there. Oh, and then show a Chase Young. Nice. Go. And then what do we got here? A little Chase Young. Field level. Dang, nice card for the Skins, or for the football team. Field level Chase Young. It's a nice hit. Nice hit there for the football team. What do we got here? RGD out of 75. Gabe Davis, blue auto rookie. Nice hit for the Bills there out of 75, 30 of 75. So I guess all we're down is to the RPA, which is more than likely the last pack. So the good news is this basement will be redone soon. As you can tell by my just piece of drywall here. I'll have a new setup shortly. I'll be able to show all these stands. We hit a lot of Jordan Love and Tua last night. So, but I'll try. We'll try to hit them all. Jake Luton, concourse rookie, base. Right, what we got here, a little Jerry Jeudy action. Jerry Jeudy, concourse base to the Broncos. What is this? A selections insert, I guess. A Jim Plunkett to the Pats. Cool card. We got a silver field level, right? Silver field level to the Cards, a Kurt Warner. Nice card for the Cardinals. Silver field level to the Cards. And the last card, we got a Cam Akers Premier level. Nice. Yeah, guys, if you want to get in a cool raffle, I posted it for Doug in the group. He's going to play on the European Tour for golf. Obviously, that's not a cheap trip when you don't have a ton of exemption sponsor stuff. He's got some cool prizes up. He's going to add more. I might throw in some cards and stuff. I'll try to see if I got some sealed stuff we can throw in there as prizes as well. Or some cool singles. Help him out. Adam Thielen, concourse base. So we got a Cam Chancellor club level. A silver selections of Clowney. Silver there. We got a silver concourse of Patrick Queen to the Ravens. Is Ashley here? I know Ashley would want this card. I don't know if Ashley's in here watching or not. The last card we got is Adam Thielen Premier level. Pack 6. Oh, I grabbed 2 cards, but we got a red. Red as well. So we got a Van Jefferson with, I don't know if those are print lines or what, concourse. Looks like 2 print lines, but it might be field lines. Yeah, I got cards for Ashley. I got to drop off to her. We got a Palomalu base. It's our red here. A red KJ Hamler to the Broncos out of 99. Number 20 and 99 going out to the Broncos on the concourse level. I think we got a silver something coming up next. We got a silver premiere of Derek Brown. I think we hit that same card last night for the Panthers. Pretty sure we hit the same card for the Panthers last night. And all right, there we go. Chase Claypool on the premier level. Nice card for the Steelers. So we got 1 Herbert. Still looking for a Burrow. 6 packs to go. And we still got the Encased. Little Tommy Brady on the top there. Little Tom Brady concourse action. Crush sent me a picture. Somebody hit a gold laser of Brady out of 10. Pretty insane card, I'm sure. Andrew Thomas, club level to the Giants. We got here Deshaun Watson insert. Zero Cowboys. Well, I'm sure we got a, there's got to be a couple CDs still to come. Silver Cam concourse to the Pats. And a DeAndre Swift Premier level to the Lions. Still got 5 packs left. And there we go. Not the cowboy you want, but there's a cowboy on the top. Zeke base concourse. Jalen Reagor concourse rookie. We got a light blue coming up next. Light blue. Premier level of C.J. Henderson going to the Jags. So we got the blue on blue out of 99. Oh, a silver Mahomes. Nice. Premier level Mahomes silver to the Chiefs. Nice card there for the Chiefs. And the last card of this pack, a Danny Jones field level to the Giants. Right, 4 packs left. Still looking for that RPA. Oh, well, we got a... Maybe we're going to get lucky because that last pack looks pretty thick. But we got a jersey in here unless it's a dummy card. And I've fallen for a dummy card before, so we'll see. No, that's not a dummy card. That is not a dummy card in there, I don't believe. Let's go. Maybe we get an extra hit with the XRC. First card out the bat. We got Nick Chubb. Base. Oh, we got a tie-dye, I think. I think we got a tie-dye jersey there. Gandy Golden. Concourse to the football team. We'll skip over that. Let's see what we got here. What's the next card? Oh, we got some stuff here. The bottom card is a Zeke Premier level. A Zeke Premier. Yeah, this is a pack. Let's see what we got. We got a tie-dye, I believe, of Ed Reed. Nice. Tie-dye Premier level number 1/25. Beautiful card. 1/25. And then we got a Jaguars on the jersey here. That's a nice card. To the Ravens. What do we got here? Laviska. Little Laviska out of 75. Little Laviska blue jersey auto rookie with the old LS. So, nice hit for the Jags. Number 57/75. Say we might have another hit here in this bottom pack. We may have another hit there. Right. Juju action on the concourse. And we got a little Tua action on the club level. Nice for the Dolphins. Club level Tua. Then silver insert of Aaron Donald. I think we hit one of those last night as well. To the Rams. I don't think it was silver though. Chargers. Joshua Kelly. Silver concourse. And a KJ Hamler Premier level to the Broncos. Oh, Joe Reed. They wasted and put Joe Reed in the select. My goodness. Joe Reed, concourse going to the Chargers. The ultimate troll Joe Reed. Cam Akers to the Rams concourse. Raiders. Josh Jacobs insert. Silver coming up next. Silver Premier level Keyshawn Vaughn to the Bucks. And a Nick Chubb on the Premier level to the Browns. Last pack. Let's hope we got another hit here and not a dummy. That's not a dummy card. Tyler Johnson concourse. AJB concourse. Let's see what we got here. Skip that one. Mike Vrabel, Pats. club level silver. And a Deshaun Watson Premier level to the Texans. Let's see what this last card is. Out of 99. KGO. Kenny Golladay silver jersey to the Lions. 87 and 99. So maybe they don't count the XRC as a hit, or they just gave us an extra jersey card. We'll take it. All right, guys, last pack of the break. Last, not pack, well, kind of a pack, I guess. A little encased. Yeah, buddy, that would be nice. So there's our encased. Yeah, I don't know if XRC counts as an auto or not. I don't remember if we got an extra last night or not. My goodness. I don't know if you guys saw that, but we got an auto on the bottom. So we got a Nick Chubb base card here. To the Cowboys. Bob Lilly jersey out of 35. 14 of 35 going out to the Cowboys on the Century Collection. Pretty cool card. That's a pretty thick card. Might need a... Next card to the Brownies. Oh, nice patch. Nice patch. 2 of 5. Number 2 of 5 on the, looks like the U of Chubb there to the Brownies. That's a pretty sweet card. 2 of 5. Wow. That's nice. And the last card to a rookie cap patch auto on card number 4 of 10. Wow. 4 of 10. I guess this is New Era, part of his rookie hat from the draft. Going out to the Bucks. Keyshawn Vaughn on card. Number 4 of 10. This encased stuff's pretty cool. I might have to try to get a couple more of these. If I can. Wow, this thing's super thick. You know, that was definitely not the right size there. We'll go to the 197. I know I got a little bigger one somewhere. Man. Right. And for the final. Oh, boy. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, nice hit to the Dolphins. Out of 50, 9.5 Gen Mint double swatch. Tua to the Dolphins, 9.5. 10 on the auto. Wow. Congrats to the Dolphins. 23 of 50. So you could put like 1 of 1 Michael Jordan, number 23. Wow, congrats to the Dolphins. Congrats, guys. Wow. Dolphins had a good break last night, too. I think we hit 4-2 as last night as well. Holy smokes. All right. Let's recap some of this. So we got the Encased 9.5 of Tua. Auto. LaVishka. Blue jersey auto. Rookie. 57/75. Double patch of Zach Moss rookie. That's, I guess it's not numbered there. Herbert Concourse. Ocho Cinco Chad Johnson auto. Out of 25, right? Yeah, number 1/25. Gabe Davis blue auto out of 75. Nick Chubb patch, the U, I think, at 2/5. Keyshawn Vaughn hat auto, number 4/10. LaVishka silver club level. Anthony McFarlane at a 199 auto jersey. Carson Wentz at a 99 jersey. Adam Troutman rookie auto at a 99. Kenny Galladay silver jersey at a 99. Ed Reed tie-dye at a 25. Chase Young field level, right? Yep, field level. Then we got the XRC, the big boy, the QB4. That's a monster there as well. The Bob Lilly jersey out of 35. Tommy Brady base. Mahomes base. Fitzgerald red, white, and blue, right? Or no, that's a tricolor out of 199. The man, the myth, the legend, Drew Lock out of 75. Tua club level. Danny Jones field level. Silver Premier of Patty Mahomes. Light blue out of 99 of C.J. Henderson on the Premier level. K.J. Hamler red out of 99 on the Concourse. Silver field level for Kurt Warner. Nice card for the Cards. Club level, Keyshawn Vaughn. Well, we got our rookies here. We got Tyler Johnson Concourse. Keyshawn Vaughn silver Premier. Cam Akers Concourse. Joe Reed Concourse. K.J. Hamler Premier. Josh Kelly silver Concourse. Gandy Golden Concourse. Rager base Concourse. DeAndre Swift Premier. Andrew Thomas Club. Chase Claypool on the Premier. Derek Brown silver Premier. Van Jefferson Concourse. Pat Queen silver Concourse. Cam Akers Premier. Judy Concourse. Luton Concourse. James Morgan Concourse. Hightower Premier. T. Higgins Concourse. Brian Edwards purple. Purple out of 35, or maybe that's a magenta. And we got the 101 Mostert printing plate. What we got? These are all our vets. Watson Premier, Vrabel club level silver, Premier of Chubb, inserted Jacob, silver inserted Donald, Zeke Premier, Cam Newton silver Concourse, Watson insert, Thielen Premier, silver Clowney insert, Cam Chancellor Club, Plunkett insert, Sam Darnold silver Concourse, Premier of Brandon Cooks, a Minshew out of 149, and a Favre out of 70. That'll do it, guys. I appreciate the fill on the break. Yeah, tomorrow I'm doing a group-only break. It's going to be a multi-year thing. We got 11 packs of 2017 Donruss. We're chasing a Mahomes. It's going to be an in-break only. We're doing multi-years, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. And there's going to be a random autograph of a mini helmet. So whatever team the mini helmet is, if you have that team, it's your helmet. So we're putting that in there. It's only going to be 16 spots. It's going to be in the group only. So be on the lookout. I'll probably post it around noon Eastern. So 16 spots. If it fills super quick, I can run it again next week or sometime midweek. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.